In this video, I'll show you how to export subtitle files in DaVinci Resolve as separate files. Hi, my name is David, and if this is your first time watching my video tutorials and you get any value from the content that you watch, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you for taking your time, and let's begin. I've already walked you through the different processes, how to add subtitles that is from scratch, and typing subtitles manually in DaVinci Resolve, importing a subtitle onto the timeline and working with it, and banning in subtitles. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I worked with Arabic subtitles. So the only thing that we've remained to do is export the subtitle file that we create as an individual subtitle file. And potentially you're asking yourself, hey David, why would you need a subtitle file? Now, there are different reasons. You may want to upload the subtitle file not as a permanently embedded subtitle file in the video. So when you're rendering, you may turn it off so that it doesn't render out with the video. But if you turn it back on or enable the track, then you may want to export it as a separate file that you can upload to YouTube for SEO purposes, or Vimeo, or any other platform that supports subtitle files. So that's out of the way. Now let's get to exporting our subtitle file. Now, unfortunately, you cannot export the subtitle file without rendering the video. That's quite unfortunate. I wish there was a simple and easy just clicking on a button and just exporting the subtitle file as we want it. So once you're done with your edits, that is your video and your subtitles, just come to deliver. This is the deliver pane. So you'll start off by checking out the export video or the export options. We can just scroll down, and what we need here is to export subtitle. So there are a bunch of options here. Export subtitle as a separate file, burn into video. If that's what you wanted to do, then you do that. Just click on add export as a separate file. There are a couple of options that you can use here. We have the SRT or the subrip subtitle file. We also have the SRT without formatting, and I'm assuming that they'll do away with all the formatting, maybe if there was bolding or anything, and maybe the timing. And then we have the web VTT, which is the web video text track subtitle file, and this is supported by HTML5 players, so it's a good thing that I've included this in this particular export section. So once you select your option, let's say we go with SRT, what you have to ensure you do is that include the following subtitle tracks in the export. Ensure you check this particular box, subtitle 1, and just so you know, it's going to be titled subtitle 1, so it's not going to have a default or a different name. Let's say if you wanted to use the name of your project or your or the name that you set up here, I wish that they just give us that particular option to do that. So once you do that, as we've done in the past, just click add to render queue. So once you add to render queue, just click on render all. Once it's done rendering, we can just navigate to our folder, and this is the folder with the banned in Arabic subtitle new. Now, if you check out at the top, we have subtitle 1, and we can just open this using Notepad. Open with Notepad, and you'll see the subtitle. That is the SRT subtitle with the different the number, the timestamp, and with the different types of formatting. This is bold and all that kind of stuff. So basically, that's how you export an SRT file as a separate file in DaVinci Resolve. I wish they had just an option to export the subtitle file as a separate file. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you got any value from this video, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.